Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're here for a slightly different style of video. So this one will probably be mostly voiced over as not to disturb the people around me. But we're here today at Disney Springs. Just to hang out, have a good day, see what's going on, maybe try something new, see if Gideon's Bakehouse is open. And if it is, then we're gonna go there and get some cookies. That's the general plan. Yeah. I'll also be meeting up with one of my friends today, so as not to disturb the day with friends, I will be voicing over most of this video. But I will like to try to get some cool shots. I am here at Park Open though. I'll also be sporting one of the OG Disney face coverings. As always, a great sight to see the hot air balloon at Disney Springs. So we've got a couple things to tackle here today. One of the main things is to come and see Everglazed that just opened today. And we're also here to get an update on Gideon's Bakehouse, considering it's been closed since pretty much opening. And we wanted to figure out why, or maybe it's open now. It's a beautiful day and the Florida sun is shining down hard. And of course, we've got to do a little bit of shopping before we get to everything. So here we are at Everglazed for its grand opening, and there's not that many people here. They give out paper menus, and of course they have the good old-fashioned scan menus. Right here is a code so you can see what the menu is. They've got ground markers marking the way up and inside, and the prices are not that bad for Disney. They're not the best prices ever, but what you get for it is amazing. I ended up getting what they called the 5-0 on the menu, which was $9, which was an amazing, very big cold brew with a huge strawberry donut on top. And I recorded my initial reactions, but there was music in the background, and I'm pretty sure I can't play that. But here I am discovering this amazing, amazing donut and trying to figure out how to eat it because it is so dang big. But man, was it a good donut. I wish I had it right now while dubbing this over. It was so good. Overall, I can completely recommend Everglazed, and I think it is a must-do anytime you come to Disney Springs. The prices are around $5 for donuts, $5.50 for the more unique ones. And the coffee is pretty average for anywhere else that you would find coffee. Definitely worth. After getting our coffee and donuts, we decided to hit up the Galactic Outpost and see what kind of Star Wars merch they got. Because we saw some amazing Baby Yoda stuff in the window and a hat that I thought was the funniest thing in existence. So we waited behind a family that was standing in line on their ground marker until we realized that they weren't actually in line. And we talked to them, and they were some of the most amazing people that you can find. You gotta love Disney Springs. Oh yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. This hat turns you into the coolest kid. And look at all this Baby Yoda merch that they've got going on here. They've got the hats, they've got the ears, they've got anything that you could want with Baby Yoda on it. Oh, they got it. They got it. You can have 7 different outfits, all Baby Yoda. And I'm not opposed to it. It's fantastic. Now this thing is cursed. This thing looks scary. I'm gonna be honest. Don't give this to your kids. It's horrifying. Now that we finished all our shopping, it's time to go see what's up with Gideon's. So we walked over there to see what's going on.
Oh, that's a problem.
And we got to the front door and realized that Gideon's is still closed. For who knows why, there's no access to it. So we did a little more shopping and saw the Christmas decorations are still up, which is fantastic. It's beautiful. We had some time since Gideon's was closed, so we decided to hit up the Orlando Premium Outlets to see what's going on here and to see if we can get some cool stuff at the Character Warehouse. Like, my thoughts here were that maybe some of the Christmas stuff would have moved over. I don't know how fast it is, but I know that I definitely want to get some stuff cheap. So we went to the Character Warehouse to see what kind of deals we could find. If there was anything new, anything really worth getting, any like just major amazing deals. So here we are. So we were here and we got a spot, but it's about a 50-minute wait. So yeah, but we got in really fast. They've got a lot of pop figures here for a pretty good deal for the ones from the parks. But there's a lot of the same thing here. The coolest thing here at the Character Warehouse today is hands down the 1971 Crocs. And if you wanted, they have a shirt to go with it. And it's only $9.99. Look at that, that is a great deal. My favorite things in the Character Warehouse right now are hands down the Haunted Mansion merch. I adore Haunted Mansion. And they still had some really cool Disney villains things. So after that, we decided to finish up the day with a little bit of shopping and then call it a day. If you made it this far in the video, I hope you liked it, and if you would, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, just so I know that I should keep doing them. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.